All right, y'all, if you join me on my live, then you know we have a toy storage bin. So let's go ahead and do a recap, and me and Mr. Brady will put this thing together.
This is a toy storage cart. But even though it says toy storage cart, like I'm pretty sure you can use it for like whatever it is that you need to use it for. So if you want to use it for like makeup, sorry Brady. If you want to use it for like makeup, or you want to use it for, you know, your brushes, let's say you do hair and stuff like that, like me. You want to put like your alligator clips and your brushes and your blow dryer and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure you can use it for that as well. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the box because I'm not going to be able to open it. So I got to put it together. But this is what it will be looking like. And so, yeah, you see what I mean? I'm pretty sure that this would go really well for doing hair and stuff like that, because I can see all of my utensils fitting inside of this big one, and then like little pieces like clips and rollers and stuff like that in the other one. So this is gonna be so cool. You gonna help mommy with the box? Oh wow, this is a whole thing. What you looking at? Here we go. Let's see. What we got? Well, how does it go? Step 1. Good job. Did they all come labeled in there? Oh my gosh. Wait, that's step 2, 3. Where's number 1? Oh boy, that's 6. I probably should have paid attention to this when I pulled them out. I know, Brady, I know. All right, we got step 1. Step 1, 2, oh, that's 5. Step 1. Step 2. Well, what are we supposed to do? This ain't making no sense. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Are you helping me? Why are you just looking at me, yo? Alright. I think we're almost there. Yeah, Brady, you no help at all. Oh, child. Lord of mercy. Oh my God. Step 3. Okay, we got step 3 down, right? What else? Wait, what's next? Step 4. Y'all, I done put this thing together, took it apart. Brady looking at me like I'm crazy. Every time I drop this, he's like, so you gonna pick it up? He's like, do you need some help? Yes, I need help, Brady. Oh my gosh. All right. You good? You want to read this to mommy? No, look what help me. We only on step 4. All right, so now we gotta put the 8 pieces. The screws be. All right. So 1 at the top, 1 at the middle, it looks like. What the heck? Oh God, no. Tell me I didn't do it wrong again. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong step. Whew, we're on step 4. Let me fold this. Oh my gosh, I'm like, no. So, 1 there. How am I gonna get the other one there? I don't understand. What? I think this thing is missing some stuff. Number 8 goes here, and then here. Did I do this part wrong? No, that's the back from that. 8 goes there, but then it's showing another 8, and I don't have another hole. Oh no, I put it on the wrong side. Oh, it's supposed to be on this side. Okay, see what I mean? Oh my God, that means I have to unscrew this whole thing. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I can't. Are you serious? They need better instructions than this. Now that we're on the right side, let me tighten that in. We're going this way. So we need the 8 right there, and the 8 right there, and the 8 in the other slot, and the 8 at the bottom? What do you mean an 8 at the bottom? All right, I'll be back when it's finished. All right, y'all. Mr. Brady finished making it. Yeah! Move. This is the finished result, guys, and it just looks so good. So these are Velcro right here, and you just snap those into place. As you can see, they can go either way. The Velcro is attached right here. And then you have the boards. The boards are actually really, really good quality. Like, it's not that particle board that breaks. So I'm happy with that. And then right here is another compartment where you can just Velcro it in. You also Velcro this piece in, or if you want this to just be a whole basket, you can do that as well. The wheels are good. It rolls around, it's rollable, it's movable, and I'm here for that. So I absolutely love this, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I think it's really good. Now putting it together, your girl had some problems, but it all worked out in the end. Yes, so I plan to use this as my salon. Put this, you know, in my salon room and have like my blow dryer and all my utensils down here, maybe a couple up here with some clips and stuff up here ready to go, baby. Yes. And then, you know, you never know what you might need in these parts, but I can't wait. Hope this helped.